Hello guys, this is Bisao here. In this video, I'm going to continue to teach you the simplified CFOP. And in this episode, I want to teach you the part 2 of the OLL. Now, in part 1, I've taught you 3 cases. One is a left-handed fish. And another one is a right-handed fish. And the last one is the so-called the butterfly. So I hope you've already memorized how to solve these 3 cases, especially the fish, because all of them are very basic. And you have to memorize them before you actually proceed to the next part of the tutorial. Because these parts, including the next part, which is the part 3, is going to be harder than the previous part. And I don't want you to confuse all the cases and formulas together. I don't want you to mix them up. So it is best to actually memorize these 3 cases first, master them, get used to them, and before you proceed to this part. So if you feel that you are okay to continue to learn, then please continue to watch this video. In this part, I'm going to teach you another, let's say, another 3 cases, yeah. Another 3 cases. And the first one is pretty special because it somehow looks like the butterfly, but it's actually a bit different from the butterfly. First of all, the butterfly is 2 yellow pieces opposite of each other. But for this case, the yellow pieces, there's one face where the 2 yellow faces they are facing the same direction. But the other pair of the yellow faces, they are opposite of each other. So they are like a bit different from butterfly, and I can't really find a name for this case. So that's to let you know its features. Its feature is at one side with 2 yellow faces and another pair of yellow faces, they are opposite of each other. So oh yeah, and the top part is yellow cross, just like the butterfly. So generally, it should be like this. This 2 is a yellow and this 2 yellow. Okay, so if you encounter this kind of case, of course we will have to learn a new formula to solve this, and I'm going to show you the formula now. So watch. Okay. This formula only includes movement of the right layer and the upper layer. So if you feel like you are moving the bottom layer or the left layer, that means you've definitely done it wrong. Before I show you the formula, I have to tell you how do you actually put the cube, how to actually position it. So as you can see here, there's a pair of yellow opposite of each other. So you want to put that pair at the right hand side, so that the pair of the yellow faces, they will be at the right layer. And also the face which have 2 yellow faces, you want to put it and make it face your left side. So it should be like this. These two faces facing your left hand, and this pair is at the right. Okay. So this is how you actually position the cube. And now I'm going to show you the formula. Up, right, right, 2 times down, 1 time again right, 2 times up, 1 time right, 2 times down, 2 times down, and 2 times right, and lastly 1 time up. And there we go, we've solved it. So it may look confusing, but after some practice, I believe It's settled, and I'm going to teach you how to do the formula. Okay, the first move is actually also quite unusual, I would say, because you need to make the front layer turns 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. So the first move is this. This is the first move. Okay, the second move. Again, double layer up. Double layer up. And then again, similarly, one layer to the left, one layer down, one layer to the left, one layer to the right, sorry. So these four moves, they are similar to the side type of tank. And the next move also, double layer down. And here also, watch out, top layer. And push down the front layer 90 degrees clock. And the last move, remember this is the last move, go up. And there we solve it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this trick again, this formula again. Place the cube like this, and front layer 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Double right layer up, single upper layer to the left, single right layer down, single upper layer to the right, and then double right layer down, and push down the front layer, make it turn 90 degrees clockwise direction, and lastly, single layer right up, single right layer up, and there we go, we solve it. Okay, so the video is about to end here, and in this video I've taught you another 3 cases. So the 2 fish plus 1 butterfly, that's already 3 cases. That's why I have taught you in part 1. And for this part 2, I've taught you the other version of butterfly, which is not really butterfly. I don't really have a name for that case, but at least you know which case I'm referring to. Okay, this one. So I've taught you that one. I've taught you the side type of the tank, and lastly the diamond. So 3 plus 3 is 6 cases, and we still have only 1 case left, which is the front type of tank, which personally I think is the hardest. So I leave it for the next video. So basically, if you still remember what I've talked in the introduction of the Simplified CFOP tutorial, I'm going to teach you super useful and must learn 7 very basic cases of OLL, plus another 4 to 5, maybe even 6 very useful formulas to solve the OLL. So this 7 is definitely must learn. It will boost up your solving timing at least 3 seconds and above. So you don't have to do a formula again and again. I know quite a lot of basic method, they ask you to do a formula again and again until you solve this layer. But for this one, it's not. This one, there are only 7 cases after you finish the yellow course, and I've already taught you 6 cases. So we are left is the last one. Okay. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to teach you the last one in the next part. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy and like this video. And most importantly, I hope you understood my lesson and actually took away something from this video. So if you did, please kindly leave a like and maybe leave a comment for me to read. And if you got any question, please also feel free to leave a comment at the comment section. I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. And also, if you don't really like my video, please feel free to actually criticize me down there in the comment section, and you may dislike the video if you want. Well, actually, of course you can. I can prevent you from disliking my video, right? If you feel that's necessary. And lastly, I hope you can all subscribe to my channel, because as you can see, my channel is I only have a pretty number of, I think 50 plus subscribers at this point of time. And seriously, I would like more subscribers as an encouragement for me to make better contents. And also, don't forget to check out my other tutorials and daily solves. If you want to watch the next part of the tutorial, and if you don't want to miss it, then please subscribe to my channel is the best option, because YouTube will tell you when I will post this part 3 of OLL. But anyway, enough for advertising for myself. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, before I go off, I will only add my intro for cubing videos only for now, because my gaming video, there are quite a lot, and I don't really have that much time, and I also don't think it's necessary for me to add the intro to my gaming video. So maybe later, someday, I will do some live commentary gaming video, and then I will see if it's necessary for me to add in the intros. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And peace off. Bye bye.